Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Nifty opened slightly higher, but Bank Nifty was opening, about 100 point lower. That's because of State Bank of India results. So everybody knows that State Bank of India is going to fall. And the SBI has fallen about 2% in the pre-market. And it continued to trade more than 2% lower. But what made the market to move higher is HDFC Bank, HDFC and Reliance. And all the three stocks were very firm since the morning. There was a slight dip in the morning, but then that was bought into immediately. And then once the resistance zone 17,500 is crossed, then short covering happened. And because on Friday people have taken very bearish view, they've sold 17.5, 17.6, 17.7 call. So I told you already, so either it's going to be very big resistance or the option writers are wrong. And for the last many months, you know about me also, so option writers have always been wrong. So that includes PR Sundar. So today what happened is just exactly the opposite. And people have become too bearish, 17.5, 17.6, 17.7 calls were sold. And today the people have become bullish, 17.5, 17.4, 17.3 puts were sold and the calls there was unwinding. So the last 1 hour, so a move of about, 60-70 point higher, above 17,500 was by the short covering. And today Nifty is up about 128 points, but more than 100 point rally came from 5 stocks: HDFC Twins, Reliance and Bajaj Finance and L&T. And Bajaj Finance, I can tell you, I've shorted some quantity in Bajaj Finance and still struggling. And Bajaj Finance has shot up from 5,300 to 7,400 in just less than a month. That's a whopping 40% return. 40% move in an index heavyweight. And Bajaj Finance, wow, is very it always moves like that only, very violently, both upsides and downsides. So Bharti Airtel came out with results. The results seems to be really very good, and profit shot up more than 5 times. And tomorrow anyway holiday, so day after tomorrow Bharti Airtel is likely to open positive. But somehow I feel that Bharti Airtel positive sentiment will be spilling over to Reliance also, because Reliance is also partly a telecom company. So today Nifty decisively crossed 17,500 and Bank Nifty decisively crossed 38,200. So all these things happening ahead of the US CPI inflation data is really very surprising. So for the past 1 month and all the negative news have been ignored, but Wednesday we will be waiting for CPI inflation data from US. So until then we will enjoy our holiday, and tomorrow is a holiday in Singapore also. So we will be celebrating National Day in Singapore tomorrow. And our India's National Day will be next week, and India's National Day as well as Indonesian National Day. So both these national days we will be celebrating from Bali Islands, Indonesia. And see, I got a chance to tell I'm going to Bali. So the next target for Nifty is about 18,000, and next target for Bank Nifty is about 38,800 to 39,000. So FII data is still not out, and but I think it should be good. So without FII buying, how can the market can break out? So market has broken. So maybe now let us look at the chart. So Nifty, I told you, it shot up, it consolidated, and after consolidation now breaking out again. So the rally resumes. I've been telling you that the same thing for the last few days. Markets are consolidating, it will break out. So Bank Nifty is again the same thing. It was with Bank Nifty, we can still say it is still consolidation only. Yeah, but it was this is because of State Bank of India and other PSU banks. So otherwise, sooner or later, this will also break out. So I'm going to show you two stocks for Wednesday's trading. One is India Cements. So India Cements and fell all the way, now recovered, and this is crossed here and decisively, and there was a huge addition of open interest, and also this time all the cement companies have come out with good quarterly results. Now after the quarterly results, the cement stocks are moving higher. So this is a south based cement company. There won't be much speculation, and so this one, so if 200 is crossed, then it can go all the way to 230. So if you want to go long, you can keep this as the 190 as the stop loss. So anyway, wait for this high to be taken. I think that is where it closed today. So once this high is taken, one can consider taking a long position. The second stock for trading is Hindustan Copper. And look at the Hindustan Copper. So it went up, it came down, So today in just one candle, so the previous peak was taken out. And here also there was a huge addition of open interest. So today I have seen India Cements, Hindustan Copper, and Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. In all these four instruments, the open interest has gone up like anything. So that means the momentum is likely to continue on the upside. So of course, if you want to go long, so you have to keep the stop loss around 105. So two stocks to watch on Wednesday, Hindustan Copper and India Cements. But today I expected auto stocks to do well and Indigo also to do well. But to my surprise, today those stocks did not do well. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.